All right, welcome back to WTV. I'm still here, no prof. We're still here in Kangala. Guys, we love you so much that we are doing two things today. The prof is giving back to the community as a member of the community. You know, some people are in communities, but all they do is to take and never give back. You know, so prof is giving back to the community that has shown him love and everything. Nami, I'm here, Shamge Camera, just to document the event. People must see. Last year we couldn't do it because of other reasons. This year we want to showcase what Prof is doing. Just as in young I'm Kulumela. Prof has been doing this for years. He was doing it long before the camera was there. So thanks, Prof. On behalf of your community, you also give back to the community. So, Prof, hey, all right. So, Bakalela ma teacher. Bakalela abo teacher bathi siyashawe ngempama esikoleni senzani labantwana laba baphekisa ngoba yasithuka department is protected thina siyakwazwa what you know ngizobuya kini. I remember in September you said ayine kuyayiceda lento le. You were just delayed by some incidents, but now lento le is ready for now going into 2024. Umuthi for educators, for teachers, lecturers, I'm a professor. Background, why when's the lento kahle kahle?
Okay, ngiyabonga brakb. Into engifuna ukuyisho nokubuyela futhi ebantwini abasizela abantwana bethu. Phela thina sizela abantwana brakb, but abantu abajike futhi babe abazali amathisha. Ukhumbula ukuthi uthisha uye osifundisa uA from grade 1 and then grade 1 angimazi mina from ga A sub A so asifundisa ukubhala uA. Sendeni huyu umuntu okwazi ukusiza, but mase sifika lapha kubo grade 2 grade 3 or kubo standard 2 or standard 3 standard 4 5 kanjalo se ufike lapha bese uyakhula manje ngoba usuka maybe so updota izinto ezimbi or uhlangane nabantu abangasinjani, so ubona lo yamama ngathi akusuma mama wakho, kanti manje ibese isuka iyalimaza ngani ngoba lo yamama ushiya abantwana bakhe nayo bayise esikolweni or lo yababa ushiya abantwana bakhe bayise esikolweni. Mara uyakuhlukumeza lo mntwana lo, makuhlukumeza uvukela enge ukuthi mara lo mntwana lo ungithatha njengani ngoba ngiyamzala. You understand? So ngayibuka lento ngayibona ngoba ama complaint maningi and truly speaking nathi sibazali emakhaya we protect our children. If angabe umntwana uteachers banibani ungishayile or uteachers banibani akangithandi, mawuya lapha esikolweni you go with it. I'm going to show that teacher hore kinamang. So ntawuthana le eka ilebella ka no man, we are not fair also re na batswadi go high because of arinyo ko itse bothata hore go thomile kae ga ya kae se re se itseng hore ke tlo mkubusa msebetsing hanki itse nna why one. So that's why my teacher sometimes njengamanje they are failing to uthatha umntwana bambuyisa endleleni. Khumbula mina mangifunza mangicelele uthisha bengishaya wonke ama teacher the whole school principal vice principal kuye phansi uyangivizisa. So manje akusana mntwana ushaywayo, omunye uzakutshela ukuthi mina mangangishaya ngizomkhombisa ngizothatha nje mangesikolweni wenza ubustoti athathe onyona ayigqokise uma athatha umfaka nethi 1 2 3 sandla sivuvuke senga mafike ekhaya umama akasafuna understand umbulalela umntwana understand umuntu alahlekele umsebenzi abantwana basole ukudla. So ngathi mina no, I'm going to do something ezokwazi ukuprotecta ama teacher until go higher education, not only from preschool or until go higher education. Mangkhuluma ngama education, khuluma ngama lecture, khuluma ngabo professor bodokotela abafundisa abantwana ema university ukuthi nabo babe nalento ukuthi mangene eclassini or angena akhuluma nabantwana bakwazi ukumuza. There's this teacher I have helped a long time ago. Was a Bushback Ridge. Mangena class or angena ngegate yemoto. Mangabe kunomntwana ongaphandle angekho eclassini kuyisikhathi seclass akamkhuzi uvela ambheke so ujaja wena ugijimela eclassini akavulanga mlomo wakhe ugijima eclassini mafika eclassini uhlale straight mandlula lobe kanishaya ngakanishaya yo You understand that? So sifuna into enjalo ukuthi uma andlula uTichere if besibanga umsindo singa concentrate kubonakala
ukuthi ifikile
manje inkunzi mangidlula athi ubheke vela athi watunya nami ngisafunza esikolweni ngake ngambuza ngathi uteacher omunye besimbiza teacher Mathumbu ngathi mara Menel Mathumbu tell me why wena sukusaba ngalendlela lesukusaba ngayo uyasinda man athi eja uyayibona ngathi phela uthe eja ngivenge ngakhipha ngangiphapha vele mina ngisakhulu so made ejang sorry Menel abengingasho ngamawala sorry man Menel you understand so ngayibona lento ukuthi no man uMenel akusehuye uMenel kunento mase ngithwasa manje ngiyabona ukuthi uMenel kunento anayo we understand so ngatuka lapho ngathi oh man Menel unomuthi bese ngelinye ilanga sa pensioning ngambuza ngathi Menel awutshele mina da fana wami
ufuna imfihlo
la mfihlo so unyanga musi wangashibonisha kumelela yini I understand he end up telling me ukuthi no mina ngageza ngagaba ukuthi angifuni ukudelela umntwana ngiyelapha ukuzofundisa umntwana so nganginenhliziyo encane ngabona ukuthi ngizolimaza abantwana babantu so ekugcineni ngathi no ithi ngiyenze lento lesela mangidlula ngazi ngivula umlomo wami ningisala and vele we did respect him in a manner ukuthi we won't do a rush eclassini yakhe and besiphasa siphasisa ukuthi we respect him simsaba ukuthi if ngafail maths ngifundisa maths mangafail maths isenkingeni so yiko kwasiphushela ukuthi sasigijimisana eclassini masifunda mathematics uthi ngifuna ukuphuma ku top 10 uyabakhumbula abo top 10
bengilapha yawazi
thank you
okay, teacher, I see Prof talking about Umuthi for Educators. Just the process quickly. What happens?
I'm a teacher asahlula.
Oh, okay.
La kulo muthi lo akuhlola. Into esiyenzayo thina sifike sikuphe wona ngoba umuntu esiwazi ukuthi awuna harm, awunani. So there's no need ukuhlola. Into eyumehluko. Khumbula ukuthi sifundisa kune ma education awalingani njengoba ngithe kune high kunelo kanjani so from grade 1 until grade 12
basic education
uyangizwisisa kuzoba imali ekuthiwa i5000 from university college upwards kuzoba yini 18000 so kusho ukuthi kuhluka ama powers khumbula ukuthi umuntu seka azi umfazi nomuntu ongakazi umfazi bahluka so umuntu azi umfazi vele uzokutshela the way how to get off so into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi ama teacher ase university college yiyo le 18
it's 18 and 5 for basic educators.
Thank you.
Okay, all right. No nizwele ke Prof akhuluma ngomuthi for educators like I said, like teachers, I feel sorry. As someone who has a family, I'm a teacher inside. I'm a teacher. I always feel sorry for one another. All right, Prof.
Thank you, bafowethu ngiyabonga. Ningakhohlwa phela bafowethu ukusubscribe kanye futhi nokushare. Siyakuyo December sikhuluma ekugcineni le ukuthi what will happen ngoJanuary.
Thank you.
Thanks sir.